Namaste everyone, welcome to our channel. That is Arjun, I am Rajni, and we are in Suva city in the Fiji Islands at the harbor watching these ships come in. But today we'll take a walk through University of South Pacific, the leading university in the Oceania region. And I want you to come along with us on our adventure. Adventures with Arjun! So we are at the University of the South Pacific, and to me the most amazing thing about the grounds are the lush trees. And look at this picnic table where students eat lunch. It's all concrete, I suppose so that they don't fly away when a tropical hurricane comes. In Canada, all our picnic benches are wooden. Look at these trees again. Amazing, eh? So we are on a hunt for a bure house. For those of you who don't know, a bure house is a traditional Fijian home made of rope, wood, and straw, all things found in Fiji's natural environment. These small huts provided shelter for the indigenous Fijians back in the day, but today they give tourists a cultural experience, which I think is a good thing. Oh look, another beautiful palm tree. This one is a touch taller than Arjun. Okay, so I love this almost bare gray stem tree. It is called a frangipani tree. They bloom pure white flowers with a yellow center. They're so simple yet smell the sweetest. Look at that, a much taller version of the smaller palm tree we just saw. Look how tall it gets. Oh, look there, we found the bure house up on a small hill. Actually, to be honest, we lost our way and a kind student is helping us. She's been our guide, so a shout out to her. So there you have it, adventurers, a bure house at the University of the South Pacific. Thanks for watching. All the places shown here are Arjun and my favorite places to visit. Links to them are in the description below. Like and subscribe if you want to come on more adventures with Arjun. And don't forget to share if you want to bring friends.